how to disassemble it. Let's push it down. Here are two clips. You need to change it for put it here and here. To disassemble this, you need to pull up from both sides and change for the new one with camera. Okay, now we need to find this connection and exchange it. That should be rain sensor. It's gonna be that gray, I think so. We're gonna find out. Here we have connected with this and the other side, like there. It's connected. Yeah, it's connected. To be fair, probably it's from camera. I think so. It's not rain sensor. Rain sensor is gonna be this or this probably, and that totally will be just from camera. Just connect on the one side. After that, connect to the camera, and we need to just make this mess to fit in this. I don't know how it's gonna fit. It's not a lot of space. Here is the camera or something. But we're gonna find out how to make it. Okay, I made it. Just slide it from down. Just put in here and slide it in the upside and the slide on the up. Yeah, I'm just hope it's gonna fit with this. That's from this, I think so. That's the original from the car, and that's, yeah, I think we got it. Almost. No, not this time. Oh, yeah, and I hope that's just clip. Oh yeah, we got it. Yeah, it's everything fine. I think so. We're gonna find it. Camera, just take it, peel this off. Yep, you need to watch out to just slide it down, because I'm just trying before to just make photo for sellers to just find out that's the best one and gonna fit for my car, and just trying to pull it down, like just take it this and just pull it down. Like I'm gonna take it down. You need to slide it down. It's very easy. Not should be hard to slide it down. Just should be like easy to slide it down. I don't know. It's good. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it's working. I think so. And we're gonna connect this.